Welcome back. This is the first section in the Maintenance and Inspections Learning module. In this, we'll touch upon maintenance, pre-flight inspections, scheduled and unscheduled maintenance. Maintenance of an sUAS and associated components may be scheduled or unscheduled. It begins with an inspection, and typical maintenance items are repairs, replacements, modifications, upgrades, and sometimes upgrades include software upgrades. Maintenance should be accomplished in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions if they're available. There are many UA manufacturers and component manufacturers out there that don't provide a maintenance schedule or maintenance instructions. Pretty incredible. Scheduled maintenance has a few approaches. One is periodic maintenance, every 3 months, that type of thing. Another is replacement based on, let's say, calendar days or a particular date like June 1st, January 1st, that type of thing. Another is time and service limits, the number of flight hours for a servo motor, or the life cycle of a particular component. Maybe they're only supposed to last for a couple years. LiPo batteries are a good example of this. In any case, scheduled maintenance protocols should be followed in the interest of achieving the longest and safest service life of the UAS. If a scheduled maintenance protocol does not exist, it is highly suggested that the remote pilot in command establish a scheduled maintenance protocol. Now and then there is a need for unscheduled maintenance. If there's an accident and a component no longer works or does not work as expected, or during a pre-flight inspection you discover that a component needs servicing or software needs upgrading, you should not fly that UA until that has been resolved.